Okra did not begin in the American South. Crossed the Atlantic in memory, in seeds braided into hair, in knowledge carried by people who were forced from their homes but refused to leave their foodways behind. Long before it thickened gumbo or fried crisp in cast iron, okra grew across West and Central Africa. It was familiar. It was dependable. Thrived in heat. When enslaved Africans arrived in the American South, okra followed, planted in small garden plots, tended in quiet spaces between forced labor and fading daylight. Okra was practical. Grew in harsh summers when other crops struggled. Produced generously. Its pods could be eaten young and tender, or sliced and dried for later use. Nothing was wasted. The seeds could even be roasted in times of scarcity. But okra was more than practical. It was connective. In stews and one-pot meals, its natural thickness transformed water and scraps into something substantial. That thickening was not accidental. It was culinary science passed down through generations. The very word gumbo traces back to West African languages, where okra was central to daily cooking. On plantations, okra appeared in gardens often cultivated by enslaved families for their own subsistence. Flavored rice dishes, stretched broths, and anchored communal meals. In a world built on control, growing okra offered a small but meaningful assertion of knowledge and continuity. Plant thrived, and in doing so, it carried heritage forward. Today, okra is sometimes debated, loved for its texture or misunderstood because of it. But its history tells a deeper truth. Okra represents adaptation without erasure. It stands at the intersection of African memory and Southern soil. When we cook okra, we are not simply preparing a vegetable. We are participating in a lineage that survived oceans, hardship, and generations of struggle. In every pod, there is resilience. In every pot, there is history. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.